Hey everybody, it's Mary. Welcome back to my kitchen again. It's late summer and we're in the height of the zucchini season. So everybody is always looking for something else to do with zucchini because you usually have so much of it. Well, right now I am just shredding up a zucchini. I made a recipe the other night and oh my gosh, it was so good. It's a zucchini fritter, and whenever my husband took a bite of it, he was like, wow, that's good. And then my older son done the same thing. Of course, the 7-year-old was like, yuck, but you know, that's kids. But I'm just going to go ahead and shred up this zucchini until I get about 3 cups of it. Then we'll be back. Alright, I've got my zucchini shredded up. I've got 3 cups of it in there. Okay, I have some freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Guys, don't use the powder in the green box. It will not taste the same, I promise. Okay, I've got flour. Yeah, I kind of made a mountain out of it. I should have put it on the bottom, put this other stuff on it, but hey, I'm human. I have onion powder, garlic powder, and black pepper. So sprinkle that over here. Okay. And I have 2 eggs. I'm going to break my eggs. And these are fresh country eggs, by the way. Produced right in our backyard. Okay. Just going to mix all of this up together until everything is well blended. Those yolks mixed in. Just keep blending until all your seasonings and everything are mixed, folks. You can cut it. Okay, I have my fritter mixture mixed up and I'm preparing my pan. Spraying it with a non-stick cooking spray. Then I'm going to put just a little bit of vegetable oil. You can use any kind of oil that you like in there. This is just what I happen to have right now. So we're going to put this in here. Let it heat up. And then we'll get those fritters going. Okay, our oil is up to temperature. So we're going to take about 1/3 cup to 1/2 cup of the zucchini fritter batter and put it in here and fry it up. Okay, we have our fritters fried. They're a nice golden brown. I have a paper towel over a paper plate. So let's just get that out and let it drain for a minute. And folks, there you go. Those zucchini fritters are absolutely fantastic. I hope you'll love them. Give them a try. Thanks for watching.